Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydren. Did you catch the butterfly? Well, 9-time Grammy-winning artist Rihanna popped the popular Jamaican dance Butterfly during her Super Bowl performance. Our very own Emmy award-winning actress Shirley Ralph performed Lift Every Voice and Sing during the pre-entertainment segment, while Shaggy and Marcia Griffith's remix of her hit Electric Boogie was featured in Jeep's Super Bowl commercial. Go Jamaica! Harry Styles makes history at Brit Awards. Over the weekend, Styles became the first British artist in history to win for Album of the Year at both the Grammys and the Brits for his album Harry's House. Harry has won all 4 awards he was nominated for: Album of the Year, Artist of the Year, Song of the Year, and Pop R&B Act. Styles also opened the night with his performance of As It Was.
Gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that?
While accepting the Artist of the Year award, Styles said he was very aware of his privilege.
I'm really grateful for this, and I'm very aware of my privilege up here tonight. So this award is for Rena, Charlie, Florence, Mabel, and Becky. Thank you so much.
According to critics, his comments appeared to address the fact that no female artists were nominated for the award, and follows his "This don't happen to people like me" Grammy-winning speech, which was met with backlash. Other winners of the night included Beyoncé, who won for Best International Act and International Song of the Year with Break My Soul, while Wet Lag won Best New Artist and Best Group. Beyoncé and Wet Lag are tied with 2 wins each behind Harry. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daydren. Thank you for watching.